And just click here and you'll be taken to this page which lets you customize your timer. This is the dashboard, which will list all the timers that you currently have running, and you'll be able to check specific stats from here too, such as the amount of views, the number of clicks, and crucially the number of clicks that have converted directly into sales. To create a timer, click on this campaign button here. First you'll need to pick your template. Now we've got over 50 to choose from that nobody else is offering at this insanely low price. So I'm just going to pick this one here. Now these buttons here let you customize your timer completely. Now this first button is timer use. Here you can select where you'd like to see the timer. I'm going for fixed bottom because I'd like to see my timer at the bottom of the page. The timer type allows you to select between a standard countdown, a loop, or what is known as a fake scarcity. I'll go into the other ones later, but first I'll choose the standard timer. Now we can set a date and time at which you would like the timer to reach 0. We can also change the time zone. An on-end URL is the page that the customers will be directed to once the timer has reached 0, and the on-click URL is the page the customer will be directed to if they click onto the timer itself. Now here we can add some text. I'm just going to put, don't miss out on this special offer, not long left. And we can select the placement of this text in relation to the timer. And finally, we can customize the background of the timer by making it transparent. We can change the solid color or give it a gradient. I'm going to keep mine as default for now. And once you're happy, you can click here on generate shortcode and then click the copy button. I want to add this timer to a specific product, so I'm going to go to the products page and click on my coffee mug here. Then all you need to do is click on this show HTML button first and then paste the code into this box. And click save and then view, and we can see what it looks like in the store. And there we have it. It looks pretty cool. So if you remember, this is the standard timer that I've used, but there are 2 other types as well. So let's just go back to the dashboard. We can click on the timer that I've already made. Click on edit. Now the first of the other types is a loop timer. This is a timer that will reset itself after any given time period. You can set the date and time here. Well, the on-click URL is the same as before, and the loop time is the amount of time before the timer resets. It's important to note that this time will always be in seconds. And finally we have fake scarcity. This is similar to a loop timer, but it has cookies functionality, which will give a user specific time. For example, if we had a time of 7,200 seconds, which is 2 hours, and user A visits the page for the first time at 1 PM, they will see a timer of 2 hours. If they visit the site again at 2 PM, they will see it with 1 hour left. If user B was to visit the site for the first time at the same time, 2 PM, they will see a timer with 2 hours remaining. So you get the idea. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Happy selling!